learning from multiple people, not just one individual. Here's an approach to life that will almost guarantee that you are successful in whatever it is you're trying to do, learn, skill, whatever it is. And that is learning from multiple people, not just one individual. Woke up this morning, got into TikTok for whatever reason while I was making my coffee, and I came across a guy that basically, for the most part, went on TikTok, found like stock gurus, if you will, and he would go in and sort of just react to whatever they were posting. So these guys would post like, oh, I did this trade, here's the strategy I did, and I made all this money, and of course, buy my course, right? Don't ever do that. And so he was obviously a seasoned trader, and he was watching other people that seemingly knew what they were doing in trading, explaining the ideas that we all know. I've been learning trading for about 3 years or so. I feel pretty good about it. I can go in each day and actually make, a decent amount of money, pretty good win rates, but I'm always searching out and looking for, education. So I came across this guy that I thought was very interesting. I primarily still follow and learn and take classes from, even though I know what I'm doing. I just redo the same classes over and over again to see what I'm missing from two individuals that I think are some of the best in the business. One that does day trading, one that actually does options. It's for the difference. Even though I know this, and even though I know all this information, watching him go through other individuals, so 20, 30 people I watched today, these little shorts of them explaining the exact same thing that I already know, and then his reaction to it was pretty awesome. And it just reminded me that if you want to learn something, you should never, ever, ever go find one mentor that does that one thing that you want to know and just go soak up to them and learn everything you want to do. You can do that for a season, but never for a lifetime. So you should always be going in, staying with somebody, learning a little bit, learning maybe 80% of what they know, and then moving on to someone else that does that exact same thing. Learning and then moving on. My greatest sort of education that I've gotten was going from a private company and being sort of the president of that, taking a lower level position at a publicly traded company, and then learning there and sort of taking the knowledge of both education and school to both the private company and all the things that happen there to the public company and all the things that happen there, and then going out on your own and doing entrepreneurship. It's like that well-rounded combination makes you so successful and so certain and confident about your decisions. You're almost unstoppable, completely unstoppable. Do not just learn from one person. Always, always, always seek out a group of mentors to teach you that one thing you want to know. You'll be much more well-rounded. You'll be much more successful.